In this video, you'll learn how to add your Calendly link to your Canva website. By following these steps, you will create a button that directs visitors to your Calendly booking page. Begin by accessing your Calendly account. Once logged in, navigate to the scheduling section, which is typically found on the main dashboard. This area allows you to manage your events and appointments. Locate the event you wish to share and click on it. A detailed view of the event will appear. Here, you will see an option labeled Copy Link. Click on this button to copy your unique Calendly link to your clipboard. For example, it may look something like https://calendly.com/yourname/meeting. Next, open your Canva website design. If you have not already done so, navigate to the Canva website editor. Once your design is open, click the Edit button, which is usually located at the top right of the editor. This will allow you to make changes to your website. Now it is time to add a button to your design. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar that appears, type link icon to find suitable icons. Once you see the link icon in the search results, click and drag it onto your page. Position it where you want the button to appear. After placing the icon, click on it to select it. Once selected, look for the link icon in the top toolbar. Clicking this will open a field where you can paste your Calendly link. Press enter to confirm the link. This step ensures that when visitors click the button, they will be directed to your Calendly booking page. Finally, to make your changes live, click on the Publish Website button, usually found in the upper right corner. This action will save your work and publish your updated website. Your visitors can now click the button you created and it will open your Calendly booking page for them to schedule appointments. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.